Okay, so good morning, guys. I'm starting this lecture. It's just a hard time for you, but I will start with Moscow's student. Okay, remedy Moscow's is a really hysterical remedy. If you are going to look towards this remedy, if you want to look at hysteria, a patient of hysteria, hysterical mania, you will get that hysteria in this remedy. So, whenever you are going to learn about hysteria, you must know about the Moscow's in homeopathic practice. Okay, so I will move further. Moscow's cures many hysterical girls who have come to adult age without ever learning what is obedience means. Okay, the people who know what do you mean by obedience? Obedience is nothing but to listen somebody, to understand somebody, to have that feeling, to understanding that obedience. You will not get in this girl. These are the typical hysterical girls. If you are going to अंडरस्टैंड इट इन अ बेटर मैनर आप क्या बोलते हो बड़े बाप के बिगड़े बच्चे ओके दैट टाइप ऑफ पीपल हु डोंट नो ओबीडियंस ओके सो if you wanted to understand what do you mean by obedience you have to understand this uh, with your parents okay they will teach you obedience and such obedience you will not get in this type of hysterical girl okay so hysteria is nothing but uh, to show off the something okay these people will try to show off the things and whenever these people are trying to show off the things whenever these people are trying to show off basically this showing off in the way to be friend or being unconscious and to try to show that something is really bad happens to me but if you are going to check this patient if you are going to examine this patient these patients are completely fine these patients are really don't have any issues okay so such things can come up in these patients okay and this is nothing but the hysteria they are self-willed obstinate and selfish if you are going to look towards this remedy they are really selfish uh, just a second guys फक्त type करा एकदा की पहिला सांगा की 10 मिनिटांनी सांगा 10 मिनिटांनी जर पण मॅडमचं लेक्चर ओके they are really self-willed. Okay, again start. They are really self-willed. They are really obstinate. They are really self-centered. They don't want to be with others. Okay, they really don't want to be with others. They really don't want to talk with others. They have that capacity. They don't have that capacity basically. They are really the people who are basically come up with the obstinacy okay there is no obedience at all there is obstinacy there is a lot of stubbornness and they are really selfish when they have to be encouraged to resort of crafty cunning and to have everything grafted from the infancy to 18 years of the age become fit subjects for Moscas, Asafoetida, Ignatia, and Valerian. Okay, if you are going to look towards their life their basic there is their infancy or there is adulthood if you are going to look towards their life they are really very cunning okay cunning means cunning marathi meaning is chalak okay chalak these people are really uh, gratified from infancy to 18 years of age to become fit. So these peoples are really like Moscas, like Asafoetida, like Ignatia and Valerium. Okay, they are really like Moscas. They are really like Asafoetida. They are Ignatias. Asafoetida is prepared with him. Okay, and this is really important remedy this is really important in which if you are going to look towards this remedy this is important remedy for your diarrhea now if you are going to look towards the ignitia is the remedy where you will all get all sort of mental troubles okay there is lot of grief there is lot of sorrowness there is lot of sadness which alternates with the happiness there is lot of contradictory things okay you will get such things in ignitia and valerium is again remedy like this hysterical phase. Okay. We will move further. They are not only to, yes guys, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so they are not only to have volumes of real and imaginary symptoms, but they become adept at producing at well kaleidoscopic complex of a symptom, increasing in quantity and intensity until their own desires are attained, and onlooker and he or she nurses, physician, or bewildered mother, or overharmed, dislam and retreated. Okay, these are the people. These are the people uh, uh, who are really hysterical. I mean, if you are going to look towards these people, they really cannot understand what do you mean by uh, understanding of something, understanding of. They will not understand that I need to be calm. I need to be understand these things. My parents cannot do these things for me. Doctor is saying whatever doctor are saying to me. This is really very proper thing. I have to understand these things. These are the people who are really very obstinate. These are the people who cannot understand what they need to do. Okay? And these people are really very stubborn. The such haughtiness, such stubbornness will come up. Okay? They can form, they have the tendency to form symptoms which are really very much the symptoms which are really very uh, dangerous. Okay, if you are going to look towards those symptoms, they are really very dangerous. Like, for example, your child is going to be faint. What mother will do? Mother will be worried about it, right? But such things are going on increasing with the intensity till the time the desire of child is not completed. What is this? This is nothing but a hysteria. Okay, this is dismayed and retreated by such things. You will get such type of things. Okay, now however much they pretend to be honest, truthful, their reported sensation and untrustworthy. Okay, if you are going to look towards these people, they they will show off. Okay, they will try to show off. They are really very honest. They are really very truthful. They really try to show off the things which are not like that. Okay, as I told you already, these people are really very cunning. Okay, matlab, there is a lot of negativity in these people. They are really in a cunning nature, but they will try to show off the things like, "Arey, I am not like that. I am really honest person. I am really trustful. I am really truthful, and I can you can trust on me like hell." But these people are not like that. These people are really, really very cunning people. You cannot handle these people. They have trade upon their sensation and imagination so long that direct effort to give a truthful statement is unsuccessful. Okay, you will understand that these people are saying lie to you. They are telling lie to you, but the most their efforts are like that. They are trying to show that they are really honest and they are really truthful. Okay, the most erratic and unexpected neuropathic phenomena are always in the appearance. Okay, they are really you will not expect those things that will come up in the picture. Okay, uh, we'll move forward further. They not only have the volumes of real and imaginary symptoms, but they become adapts producing will kaleidoscopic complexion of the symptoms. As I told you already, this is really important slide. Okay, I will move further. The physician, the physician cannot measure these cases by his experience and say what is common and uncommon. What happened, guys? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So the physician cannot measure these cases by his experience and say what is common and uncommon. Now, try to imagine that you are sitting in your clinic and you have such type of patient. Can you imagine that this patient is telling lie to me, or uh, this is something which is going fishy and something is going wrong, and this is not the complaint, and this patient should not have such type of symptom, but he or she is trying to showing off the things. Can you understand these things while you are going to see that patient is having unconsciousness and faints and such type of thing? Can you imagine such things? You cannot understand that patient have such type of symptoms or he is trying to show off the things. Am I right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, so this is the things which you need to understand. And what happen when you are going to get such experiences with your clinic, with your patients, when you are going to get such type of experiences, then only you will understand what is common and what is uncommon. So in such type of people, you can blindly prescribe Moscus. Okay, he compelled to fall back upon the one word that covers the multitude of its manifestations, that is like hysteria. Okay, they try to show off the things, they have that feeling to show off the things. uh, we will move further. Moscus is often indicated in this constitution and cures much of its morbid. This is really important slide. Okay, these people are these people such type of constitution can be cured by Moscus, that is morbid when its own peculiar symptoms agree. When one of these girls becomes sick from a taking cold of acute symptom will be told with the host of her imaginary sensations. Okay, she will have just sneezing, she can have just watery coryza, or she will have just um, some irritation in the throat. She can describe that sensation like, I am having so much irritation in my throat as if it is going to be torn out, and I am having so much of sneezing that I cannot sit for a while. Likewise, okay. So this is nothing but a imaginary sensation. This is nothing but a showing of the things. This is nothing but आप क्या बोलते हो उसको बड़ा चढ़ा के बताना. Okay, such things you will get in this patient. Okay, the globus hystericus is generally present. Hyperesthesia of the skin, wearing of the muscles, wakefulness, palpitations, excitement, fainting, and trembling. Okay, the dreadful pain all over the body, rush of the blood to head, cramps in hands and feet, convulsions of whole body. It is not generally known that morbid sensation and function correspond with mental state of the individual. When the functions and tissue symptoms are hysterical, erratic, the mental state will be found correspondingly hysterical. If any type of hysteria, if you want to understand any type of hysteria, you will get that hysteria in this remedy. Okay. Hysteria, if you need to understand only hysteria, you have to understand this remedy first. Hysterical symptoms you will also get in ignatia. Hysteria, a, a tint of hysteria you will also get in natrum. But if you want to understand what do you mean by hysteria, you have to understand Moscus first. Okay, you will get such your friends that who are really very hysterical. You will say, what is this? These people should not be like that, and he or she should not be have that feeling, or he should not show off such things. But they will try to show off. Okay, it is their natural process that they need to show off the things. Okay, this is nothing but their constitution. They have to show off. They need to do some think that they are really attention seeker. Okay, they really need attention by others. Okay, so such type of feeling, such type of symptom you will get in these patients. When the peculiar Moscus symptoms, often the face is present, one cheek is red and cold, other is pale and hot. In which remedy you will get such type of symptom? One is red and other is hot.
Ma'am,
Susan.
Ethuza.
Chamomilla.
Chamomilla. Perfect, perfect. It is chamomilla. Okay.
Chamomilla.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. There is certainly some hysterical perversions that in mind that of patient. Many time it is possible to suspect morbid mental state by knowing morbid sensation and function. There is a kind of order in all morbid expressions seen in the sick people. It directly means that I will give the example of it, and then I'll explain it. For example, a patient know that nowadays patient know that sneezing and coryza can be a symptom of corona. Okay, and only 2 or 3 sneezing patient will think, "Arey bapre, ma'am, is it corona? Is it corona?" So such type of feeling is there continued in mind, and all morbid expression. Then that patient can have fever, that patient can have weakness, that patient can feel really very weak. These symptoms can come up. Okay, so their morbid mental state uh, lead to form that expression, lead to form that symptoms in this patient. They are sensitive to cold and complaints come from becoming cold. In addition to numerous hysterical mental symptoms, she has a violent fit of anger with a rage, scolding until she is blue in the face and fall of faint. Okay, as I told you already, there is lot of scolding. Okay. Okay.
उधर लगाते पूजा.
Hello, hello, hello. Any problem, guys? Hello, any problem, guys? Hello, any problem, guys?
Guys.
Okay. Please be mute. Please be mute. Please be mute. Okay. If I'm asking any question at that time, get unmute and then answer me. Till that time, please be mute so that I can continue with the lecture. Okay. As I told you, these patients are sensitive to cold and there is complaints come from the becoming cold. In addition to numerous hysterical mental symptoms, she has a violent fit of anger. These patients are really having lot of anger. Okay. Guys, please be quiet. Please be mute. Please. Hello, please be mute. Please be mute. Let me continue the lecture. And the people who are coming right now, don't worry. I'm going to revise all these things for you. Okay? Please don't worry. I was talking about sensitivity towards the cold. Okay, the complaints come from becoming cold. Sensitivity to cold weather, cold environment, cold water, anything like that. Okay, so sensitivity to cold. In addition to numerous hysterical mental symptoms, there is lot of hysterical mental symptoms that she has a violent fit of anger. These people are really very angry. Okay, you cannot handle the anger of these people with the rage and scolding until she is blue and face and falls in a fit. Okay, the face of these people become um, blue and they can fall in a faint. They are so much angry. If you are going to scold these people, if you are going to scold or if you are going to talk to those people that you're wrong over here, what are you doing with this is completely wrong, they are going to get faint. Okay, dread of a death and talks only death when there is no serious complaints, anguish and palpitations. They are really having fear and dread of a death. Okay, they talks only death when there is a no serious complaints. A very mild and very small wound, they will think that I need a amputation and I need something which is really which can be lead to a death likewise. Okay, and the seriousness of complaint, there is nothing like serious. Okay, there is lot of anxiousness and palpitations. There is peevishness and quarrelsomeness. These people are really peevish, but there is quarrelsomeness. खूप भांडकुदळ असतात हे लोक. They are really very quarrelsome. Okay, and in constant hurry, the legs things the fall from her hands. Foolish gestures and complaints of pain. Okay, she will do mistakes and she will say, "Arey, this happened because I'm having lot of pain." Okay, apprehensions, trembling, and palpitation. Fear of lying down least she die. Sensation of falling from height as if rapidly turn around. Okay. So such type of things, as I told you, you will get such negative people, such negativity in your patients. Okay, and if you are going to get such negativity, you will get irritated with this type of patients, right? So whenever you are going to feel that this patient is Moschus, whenever you are going to understand that here you are going to see the hysteria, whenever you are going to look towards the hysterical patient, you have to give them Moschus. At least single dose of Moschus can relieve that hysteria and it will lead to calmness of your calmness. It is not about them, it is about you. You will not get irritated with such people. Okay, and then we'll move further. Okay, so this is about your last slide of your Moschus with the Keynes book. Okay, Keynes Materia Medica. Now, the people who are coming right now, especially your senior batch. Okay, so I will again revise for them. You just listen these things very properly. Okay, I'm going to revise all these things for you. Uh, And it's my again request, you all please be mute. Okay, you don't need to be you really don't need to be very worried about it. I will talk about this lecture again. I will revise all this lecture again, all this remedy again, so that all people will understand this remedy, that is mosquus. Okay. Let me tell you one thing very clearly. This is really very short remedy, but if you need to understand hysteria, you have to understand this remedy. Okay. So again, I will start with this remedy. Junior batch, if anyone feel that this is okay for me, they can live. Okay, they really can live. I'm not going to say that you should be there, but if anyone has any query, you guys just call me, I will solve it. Okay. So this is all for junior batch. And now senior batch. Senior batch, listen very carefully. This is short remedy which is common for your um, short note. Okay, short notes of 5 marks. So moscus, do you know kasturi? Kasturi माहिती आहे? कस्तुरी मृग माहिती आहे? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, त्या कस्तुरी पासून
Yes,
बनवलं जातं बरं का हे मॉस्कस. It is prepared with that type of deer. Okay. So we'll start with moscus. Moscus mind, especially mental symptoms of this remedy are really very important. Moscus cure many hysterical girls who have come to adult age without ever learning what is obedience means. These people are really don't know what do you mean by obedience, what do you mean by calmness, what do you mean by having a cool mind. These people are really very horrible people if you are going to look towards this their negativity. Okay. You can treat such hysterical girl. Now hysteria, what do you mean by hysteria? So hysteria is nothing but that showing off the things. Okay, these people try to really show off the things whenever they get such hysterical things. Whenever there is hysteria, whenever they get such hysterical things, they have that self-will, that obstinacy, and that selfishness. Okay, these people are really very self-will. They really worried about themselves. They really don't want. Really don't want to understand about anyone. Okay, there is lot of what we can say. There is lot of self-centeredness. Okay, they are really very obstinate and selfish. When they have been encouraged to resort crafty, cunning, and they have been and gratified from infancy to 18 years of the age become fit subject for moscus, asafoetida, ignatia, and valerium. Okay, so these are the people. If you are going to look towards these people, wait a second, guys. So whenever you are going to understand this gratifiedness, or whenever you need to understand that cunningness. Cunning means what? Cunning means Marathi meaning I told to junior batch, that is chalak. जे लोक खूप चलाक असतात, ज्यांना खूप छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी अंडरस्टँड करून फास्ट रोटेट करता येतात गोष्टी. Okay, such type of cunningness you will get in this people, and they will born and brought up in such environment. Okay. I remember one case. I don't know junior batch is there or not. I'm telling you a case now. Okay, I had a patient in my clinic. Okay, she came and she was sitting for 5 minutes or likewise. Okay, I had seen when she had come. Okay, now a patient is coming in my OPD. Now what happened? There was waiting area, and I can look towards that waiting area. I can understand how many people are waiting for me there. Okay, and my case taking was going on. It was a follow-up. Okay, Now for follow-up, I need almost 15 to 20 minutes, and for case taking, for a first case taking, first setup of case taking, I need almost 1 hour. Okay, because I need to take all the symptoms. Okay, in my clinic I was doing that. So when such things have been come up, when such things has coming up, what I did, I see that that girl is coming. She was really beautiful. Okay, she was really beautiful, well dressed. She sit. She tried to find a seat which is really very clean and all. Okay, she sit there, and within 5 minutes she was like, she was so angry. She was like, "What the hell is going on? Why that doctor is not taking me? I'm waiting since 2 hours." I was shocked. Okay, I was shocked with that, and receptionist was telling that one follow-up is going on, madam, and now with that follow-up, we are going to after that follow-up, I will ask doctor that you are really need a time, and then we will move further. Okay, I will ask madam that you are in hurry. She will take you first. She was not listening to my receptionist at all. Okay, she was really angry with her, and she tried to hit my receptionist. That was a part in which I feel that I should enter in these things. Okay, so I gone outside and I asked that lady, "What is your problem? Okay, why you are in such a hurry? आपको कौन सी बस पकड़नी? Are you having any lecture? What is your problem?" She was like, "I am waiting here since 2 hours." I said, "I can show you my CCTV footage. You are entered just before 15 minutes." She was so shocked. She was so shocked. She just fainted in front of me. Okay, she cannot take a breath, and she has such hysteria, and she was like she is being unconscious and all. Okay, everyone in my clinic, patients and receptionist and everyone was so worried. Now what we should do, ma'am? What we should do, ma'am? I was like, just ignore her and do your work. Okay, when these people try to do that, that lady was completely fine. Okay, such type of hysteria, the understanding just that scenario, I don't need to take whole case of that patient. I directly gone for Moscus, and which resolve her tendency to take cold. Okay, so this is nothing but the Moscus. So this cunningness, this self-centeredness, this selfishness, you will get in this remedy. Okay, then I will move further. Mind Moscus, your many hysterical symptoms, as I told you. Then physician cannot measure these cases by his experiences. I told you already that this patient really, you really cannot understand what is going on with this patient, and you cannot find what is common and what is uncommon hysteria. There is global hysterical, is a general present hyperesthesia of the skin, queering of the muscles, wakefulness, palpitation, excitement, fainting, and trembling. There is dreadful pain all over the body, rush of the blood to head, cramps in hands and feet, convulsions of the whole body. It is not generally known that morbid sensation and function correspond with the mental state of the individual. When the functional tissue symptoms are hysterical or erratic, the mental state will be found to be correspondingly hysterical. Okay, such things are going to come up. Now, there is again a symptoms like your chamomilla, that is one cheek is red and cold, another is pale and hot. Okay, some contradictory things you will get in this remedy. There is a lot of sensitivity to cold, and complaints come up from becoming a cold. In addition to numerous hysterical mental symptoms, lot of mental hysterical symptoms. As I told you that case, always try to remember, understand that case very properly, and try to write down in that way. Okay, that is nothing but your hysteria. Okay, and this is the important remedy for this hysteria. So this is all about today's link. Please go through YouTube audio or YouTube link, so that you will understand all the things very properly. Or if anyone has any query about it, please call me. I will resolve all the queries. Okay, guys. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys. Okay. Chalo. So thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
And I will. Okay.
Okay.
So I will end this meeting over here, ma'am. Okay. I will end this meeting over here, and I will send you this YouTube link within 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.